Today you'll take the Outsiders Vocabulary Quiz for Chapter 4. Be sure to put your name, date, and the class period at the top of the page. Here's your word bank for this quiz. Smoldering, bootlegging, ruefully, finality, premonition, contemptuously, unceasingly. First definition, this word means expressing despise. Next, this word means forewarning. It's a forewarning. The next one is a word meaning that you're expressing sorrow or pity. The next word is a state or act of being final. The next word means to make and sell alcohol illegally. The next word means not stopping or continuous. And the last word means a suppressed state. And in this case, the suppressed state means like a fire or anger,